Hello guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about what is WordPress and how we can create a website using WordPress. Wait, are you thinking I'm a professional in this or what? If so, you're wrong. I'm a beginner like you too. I referred a lot and tried practically and now I'm here in front of you to share my knowledge and showing you how simple it is to create a website using WordPress. So let's get started. At first, we can get familiar with what actually WordPress is. Actually, the WordPress is a software to build your own website or blog to publish on the internet. It's also called Content Management System, that is CMS. WordPress, WordPress was created on 2003, and since it was a very popular website publishing program in the world, it contains 11,000 to choose from the templates which you can choose from and can decide in which style and template your website needs to look. You can create buttons, you can modify font size and styles and can upload images and medias from your gallery. It contains more than 55,000 of plugins to modify and optimize the functionality of the website. How does it work? At first, the only way to make a website was coding HTML or PHP format, which the web browser interprets to make a website for you. In WordPress, you need no coding. Much simpler, right? If you make any changes in your website, code will be automatically update the codes for you and updates the website. When you started to create a website, there will be WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So you will be getting confused with choosing. So let me clear the differences. In WordPress.com, of course, you can make a free website with their own web hosting. But there is a lot of limitations for that. By quoting some of them, your website can be deleted at any time if they feel you violated their terms and conditions for any reasons. It can't be used for any monetary purpose, such as you can't use ads for monetary purposes. I'm sorry, you can't use ads for monetary purposes. You can't upload plugins to optimize your website. And you won't have a large number of customizable theme, will only have a limited number of options. And the most important one, you do not own your own domain name. That will be really bad, right guys? We will be hoping to give you a unique domain names for your website so the world get to know about you by this name. So in this case, you can self-hosted and use WordPress.org where you can download the software for your. So how do you create a website with WordPress? To get started, you will need a web hosting, which basically allows you to rent space on the internet where you can store your images, videos, and other medias, and also you can use buttons, and finally you can use the WordPress. So if you want to own your website, web hosting is 100% necessary. Otherwise, as I told earlier, you will be facing those issues. So there is a lot of hosting platforms which allows you to host your websites. By naming them, there are Hostgator, Bluehost, SiteGround, Flywheel, DreamHost. You can choose your hosting service for a WordPress website or something to host on a budget. There is options available for you. So choose your best web hosting service. Here I'm using Hostgator. For that, you just need to browse hostgator.com. So you will be directed to this page and can get started by pressing this get started button. So here you can see the three plans for you: hatching plan, baby plan, and business plan. So if you are a beginner, hatching plan would be the best one. and more enough to run your own website. So we can start with hatching plan by clicking Buy Now option. So here you can sign in. You can enter your domain name. If you already own one, you can just type it here, or otherwise you can just register with a new one. And .com it's same. And the next one it is choosing a hosting plan. You have already chosen one, that is hatching plan, and that is correct one. And you can choose a billing cycle, the period. If you don't want to commit such a long period, you can choose your options. If you want to try it for just 1 or 2 months, you can just go for it. And moving to next detail, here it is your billing information. You can just fill it and move on to next option, that is additional services. Here just keep ticked in the SSL certificate, that just to keep in mind, letting the public know your site is well protected and safe and secure. And after completing all the boxes, you can just check out now, and the process is ready. You can go to your website by just searching your domain name in the browser. As I have already prepared one, I'm just going to it, and this is how your website will be looking like. Now we can just navigate through our WordPress dashboard. So first we can start with our website name. For me it's ytdemo.siteshopbuilder.com. I just click the visit site. Here you can see this is how it looks like. I have already inserted one theme, that's why it is so attractive. Otherwise it will be very blank, super boring, and I will teach you how to do it. So just go back to the dashboard. On here left side you can see the main menu. It contains all the tools you can use in your WordPress. So just we can go through one by one. The first one it is post. Here is where you can create new blog posts. I will show you how to create one. Before that we can cover all the options and what's their features. So the next one, it is the media. So here you can upload pictures, videos, any other medias which can be used in your website. By adding new, you can upload images. And the next underneath we can see the pages. Here you can create different pages. For example, you can create about me page regarding the details of you, and also you can create contact page, etc. Below you can see the comment tool. Here the people can leave a comment on your website only if you allow them to, and also you can respond to them by clicking the reply button and just typing whatever you want. Underneath you can see there is appearance. It's regarding how you install themes. You can choose from more than 11,000 themes and get customized according to your style. Here you can see there is a lot of themes and you have a variety of options to choose from. And next you can see the plugin tool, and you can add one plugin by adding new. Here you can see there is a lot of plugins with variety of users, and you can select by popular ones, recommended ones, and favorite ones. And in popular, I am selecting the popular. You can see the variety of plugins. I will show you how to install one and activate one and how it can be used in your website. And next is users, tools and settings. These are all used for backend WordPress stuff for your user profile. in this during du- using this tool, by clicking all users, you can change your ridiculous password which is being given by the Hostgator, right? Here it is by clicking your name, Anis. You can see there is a different color schemes which which you can use according to your wish. There is light theme, bluish theme, coffee theme, etc. You can choose your wish. I'm going for default option. While scrolling down, you can see an option for changing your profile picture and changing your password. You can change the profile picture, but it can only see in public when you respond to comments. And underneath there is a new password. By clicking the generate password and changing this, you can change the password and you can make it your own. So at first, we can just look how to insert a plugin, how to install a plugin. So for installing, just press add new and you can see a lot of plugin here. There is a WooCommerce plugin. You can just click on it for knowing about more about the WooCommerce. There is a little bit details about that, and you can click on the screenshot so you can see how it will be appearing on the screen while you are activating it and using it. Now I'm just going for one simple one, that is I'm just searching for one. It's Orbit Box. Here you can see, and you can install it by install now. Taking time. Yeah, it's already done, and you can just activate it. So here you can see all plugins you have been activated, and if you have to remove one, you can just do it by just clicking on this boxes and just deleting here. Okay, so we can just look how it appear on our website. Just go to your website, we can customize it and we can see like this. So first I will show you how to modify this theme. Going back to dashboard, here it is appearance option. So I'm choosing the Hestia. If you need other options, you can go for add new theme and you can select the option you like. Now I'm going for Hestia, which is a simple one. So I'm activating that. I have already activated the Hestia. Now I'm going to the website and customizing. Here you can see I have already done that. So very simple theme. It can be managed very easily. You can change the name by just clicking on this blue tick. So here you can see the title option, and just by clicking and deleting this, you can change the name of your website. I'm just giving, as I'm very fond of my cats, I'm just giving my topic as cats. That's my world. And also you can change this also by deleting the text under here, and you can give anything you want. I just typing randomly. I love my cats. Here you can see it has already changed. And also you can change here whatever text you like. And here in this URL button, you can provide any URL, your YouTube video URL, your any other URL you would like to add on it to your website. And again, if you have to change this background for, you can also change that by removing here, just clicking this icon and just change image and just browse from your desktop, your gallery. You can choose your own option like that. You can also change the font styles and font sizes by clicking on this extra icon underneath the customizing front sections, big title section. By clicking that, you can see the different alignment options here. You can move it to the right, center, left, as you wish. While moving backwards, you can see here the appearance settings. While clicking on that, you can see the colors. Here you can change this color from here. You can choose one. I'm choosing a blue one. You can see the changes here. It has been changed to the blue. I'll make it like that. And you can change your font style and font size by going back again. You can see the typography here. Here you can select something you like. I'm just randomly selecting one and you can see how it has been changed. You can publish it right now if you are ready with it, or you can just save as draft by just clicking the settings menu near this publish button and save as draft, and just again clicking the save as draft here. Now moving on to the next, I will show you how to create a page in the website and adding the same in the website. For that, just click on the pages, click add new, add a title for you. I'm again giving my cats. And you can add image or a paragraph. You can select it from here. I'm just randomly copying some dummy text. I randomly just typed some dummy text, and here you can preview how it will be looking like. Here you can see. Now just click on this publish button. Again click on this publish. It has been published, so we can just look how it looking in this website. Going back, clicking your website. You can see a blue box, a blue pencil, something logo like that box. You can click here. So you can see here is a primary menu. Here you can select the edit menu, and you can see home blog that is already written here on the website. So you can just click on the add items. Here you can see the one that we have created the my cats. Just click on that and add it. Now you can see here is our page. While clicking on this, it will be redirected to our page, so you can view that page. So now you have studied how to create a page in this WordPress in the website. Now we can move how to create a blog using this website. Again, going to the dashboard. You can see the post here. You can add new. It looks same as how we created the page, but the difference is that we can see the option categories here, which is not there in the pages box. Here you can add a new category and you can rename it as you wish, and you can select that while you create one, and you can just create the same as the page. So now you have, I hope you got overall idea about what is WordPress and how to make a website in it. I have shown you the usage of different features. In next video I will help you more than with plugins, installations, and how to use WooCommerce to build your own app for stores, etc. So till then, bye bye.